In this video, I will show you how you can fix the moisture detected unplug charger immediately problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now if you're facing this issue, first of all, just unplug your Samsung phone from charge, then just open the quick settings on your Samsung phone, and from here just tap on the power icon and select power off. Now after you completely power off your Samsung phone, then just grab your Samsung phone, then just gently shake your Samsung phone with the charging port pointing downward. Just like that. Now after you shake your Samsung phone, then just grab a soft and dry cloth and clean the charging port area. Then just leave your Samsung phone in a well-ventilated area for 5 to 6 hours for the charging port to completely dry out. Now after 5 to 6 hours, then just press and hold the power button and power on your Samsung phone. Now once your Samsung phone powers on, then just go to your home screen. Now just plug your Samsung phone back into charge. But before you plug in your Samsung phone into charge, instead of using your old charger, just try to use a new charging adapter and a new charging cable to charge your Samsung phone. And also make sure to use Samsung's original charger to charge your Samsung phone, because if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this can damage your Samsung phone. So make sure you use the official Samsung charger to charge your Samsung phone. And after that, just plug in your Samsung phone into charge and check if your issue is fixed or not. As you can see, this issue has been fixed on your Samsung phone. But if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this page, just tap on the three lines over here and enable the toggle for Show System Apps. Then tap on OK. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on USB settings. Now from here, just scroll down and select storage. Then tap on clear cache. Now after you clear the cache data of the USB settings on your Samsung phone, then just plug in your Samsung phone into charge and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the moisture detected unplug charger immediately problem on your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.